everybody, we continue showing you Tokyo, Japan, and it is more of our biggest impressions from Tokyo, good or bad, but we will show you. It is a railroad station, actually look beautiful. And we was surprised to see that sometimes they have meetings in the railroad station. A meeting like here.
One of the real surprises that we had about Japan was the way people dress. Some things about Japan you kind of expect. We expected it to be extremely clean, and it was amazingly clean. We expected it to be really organized and everything works and is on time, and for it to be safe, and all those things were very much true. But one thing that we really didn't expect was how uniform and basically kind of dark everyone's dress is in Japan. Men, including high school students and men going to offices and just men generally, wear black and white. If you're going to the office, typically it's a black suit with a white shirt and a very dark kind of tie. If you're not wearing a suit but just wearing basic work type clothes, it's probably black and white. If you're a school student, it's a black and white uniform. Similarly, women very often wear black and white, particularly if they're going to an office. And whether or not they're going to an office, the typical clothing that women wear is dark in color with long dresses and skirts, and just very, very uniform and very dark and kind of dull. Honestly, it was quite a surprise because for everyone to look the same like that was dramatically different from what you see on the streets of almost any other city we've ever been to. And I guess it says maybe both good and bad things about Japanese culture, that this sameness and drabness is throughout everywhere that you see, as expressed in people's dress. It's an amazing place. It's a great place. It's really pleasant to visit, but this was one of the things that I think probably we would say was more negative than positive about the culture.
In our last video, we showed you the Shibuya crossing. You remember, where about 4,000 people can cross immediately. You can see Ben immediately. He's wearing just probably the most colorful clothes. But let's go back to the train station. We bought our tickets for the bullet train to Osaka online. But now you need to get the actual ticket at the train station using these machines. It's what we are trying to do.
We paid already.
Yes.
Okay. No, we have reserved.
Yes, Tokyo to Shin Osaka, right?
Reserved to Osaka.
Issue tickets.
Please don't forget your card and ticket. Issuing ticket now. Please take your ticket.
This is yours.
Thank you very
For
much.
2 people.
Yes, express ticket and then.
By the way, what we like in Japan very much, that people are
Okay.
nice, very polite, and they are trying to help you all the time. Not everybody speaks English, of course, and many people don't speak English, but they are trying to help you.
You know that. Will you get one?
No.
Of course, many restaurants, stores are in the train station, and you can see that there is something interesting. Some boxes. When we went to the first city, Sendai, in Tokyo, we noticed that there are in stores, on streets, some strange boxes. You see them right now. And at first we tried to figure out what is it, because they are everywhere. And it is probably like Kinder Surprise. You can compare with Kinder Surprise. You see, people are buying some balls with toys, and actually the name of this is Gacha or Capsule toys.
Try one of the ones that say, see, that said 200.
And in the airport there were the same toys, or whatever you can say, and there is a sign why Japanese people like this.
And it doesn't tell you squat.
Online I found a very long explanation. If you want, you can read it. It is on the screen. But people just like it. Ben told me all the time, do you want to try? Finally, I decided to try, to get one ball and to see what is in there. Let's see what happened.
Now you turn this.
Okay, open it. Let's ask.
You have to pay another 200 to open it.
You are right. I think it is a way to open. Okay.
It's a ring,
Put on my finger.
and this is all the other rings you can get, I guess.
You see?
I'm impressed.
Do you like it?
I'm very impressed. I like it a lot. I think everybody should have one.
And I said already that, like any train station, the Tokyo train station has many restaurants, many shops, many food stores with interesting stuff, actually. Chips. Interesting chips. What it says?
Shrimp rice cracker.
Shrimp rice cracker. Interesting. Don't you think?
Chicken. No. Goshi den.
Goshuden. Okay.
I don't know.
We don't know what it is.
Wet rice crackers.
Wet rice crackers. Interesting.
I want to look.
Okay. Shrimp crackers, chili oil. Very often we try to translate with our Google translator. What is this? Because not every package had an English language, but we did not have luck. And of course, many kinds of sushi.
This is vegetables too.
Just vegetables. Vegetables and fish. And that's it. Finally, Ben chose the place where he would likes to eat, but not everything is simple. Ben shows a classic Japanese food dish, Dashi Chazuke. It was approximately $11. They brought some water for us and some tea for me too, but I was not going to eat. But anyway.
What is this? Tea.
召し上がり方こちら参考にお召し上がりください。ジャパニーズスパイス
Yes.
ぜひトライ生七味
Dashi. No.
スパイス
Spice. Okay.
お願いします。
Thank you.
They even brought for me a bowl. Maybe you would like to share, but of course Ben is not going to share. What is it? Tell me.
Looks like small balls. This is seaweed, I know.
What is this? Tofu?
Tofu, I think.
Okay.
And this is my flaked salmon and stuff.
And it is rice. You have to mix with rice probably.
Yeah, can I have the fork?
Ben wants to have fork. Okay.
Well, taste it. See if I like it.
It is spice. How is it?
It's something I've never had before. It's a new taste. It's not bad. It's kind of hot a little bit. Not much, but a little. Tofu.
He's mixing salmon with rice. Have you remember?
Mackerel. Yeah, I know what you're talking about.
How is it?
No flavor to speak of. Seaweed. It's not bad. Not bad.
Not bad.
I want some more of this stuff.
That you thought about that it is tea?
You thought this was tea, so I actually poured some in my cup, but with the other tea. Not very much though, but it turns out it's not tea.
Of course, we did not pay too much attention to the instruction how to eat Dashi Chazuke. It says you need to pour this dashi in the rice. But he tried to pour it in the tea. It did not work.
Dashi.
Dashi.
And of course, there are many vending machines, not only in the train station, everywhere.
Very interesting vending machines.
Not all of them, not all packages have English, so you have to know what you are choosing. From Tokyo to Osaka, we took a bullet train. So, we will see you next time.